Osio, it's the native dev.
Okay, welcome to another tutorial here, and today I've got a trooper here helping me out. Thank you for helping me out, trooper.
Yeah.
Today what we're going to do is we're just going to play a game and we're going to practice a little bit about what we've learned. What we're going to do is practice uploading files, but today it's going to be uploading files as a team. So far we've uploaded one file at a time with just one person, and that's great. That's really easy. That's an easy way to know exactly what you want updated and make sure you're not clobbering each other's changes. But things get a little bit more difficult when you're working with a team. You got to be organized.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to play a game of Tic-Tac-Toe, and we're going to practice. I upload a file, and then Trooper will upload a file, and then I'll upload and he'll upload, and we'll take turns. We'll get a little bit of practice seeing how things update here when we're working together.
It's also my first time doing the uploading the files too, because I was in the other videos. So.
Yep. So it's for your first time, Trooper's first time. We're going to be learning here together. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this add file button that you guys are familiar with when we did the test file. Today I'm going to hit upload new file. And what I'm going to do is I have this blank tic-tac-toe board that I drew very professionally.
Yeah, right.
And we're going to upload that here. I'm just going to drag it over to this window. It's going to upload, and I'm going to write a message. I'm just going to say add new blank tic-tac-toe board. And then
Bad.
Yeah.
Whatever. I don't even know what that's.
So I'm just going to hit commit changes here. And what we're going to see is that now there's a new tic-tac-toe board. But it's not showing up for Trooper. What do you need to do, Trooper?
Command R to refresh it.
Yep. All you got to do is refresh that screen, and then there it is. And so now you see tic-tac-toe board. And click over on the file name.
Me?
Yep, on tic-tac-toe-board.png.
Oh, that, right?
Yep. And there it is. So he can see the changes that I just made. So if you're thinking about this like code, if I just wrote brand new code, I uploaded it to the repo, now my whole team can see that. And what we're going to learn later is about how you pull down changes and use the source control to do all this. But right now we're going to, just for the sake of learning and getting comfortable in here, we're just going to download this file onto the computer. So now you can go ahead and download that. So go ahead and download, Trooper. This little download button right there.
Alright, I forgot.
Yep. So what we're going to do is download the file and then show it in Finder. Yep. Go ahead and click on that.
Finder?
Mm-hmm. And
Finder is like a blue and white face. Just like
yeah.
that.
And that's because we're on Mac. It might look a little different if you're on a Windows computer, and that's okay. Okay, so now we're in Finder, and then go ahead and open that up. And we're going to start our game.
Yay.
So double click on that.
And then you have to go all the way.
Yep, you can drag that open. So then we're going to use markup, and this is just for the game. And then we're going to draw, and Trooper's going to go ahead and draw one of his.
Just FYI, you could use this one or this one. Well, wait. What does that one do?
I'm not sure.
I'm gonna try it. Just make sure just to see what happens. Oh. Just the same.
Oh, it just makes a straight line.
That's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, you might want to use this one then.
Okay, so Trooper went ahead and made his X, so that's his first move. However, just because we have GitHub up and running doesn't mean that this is just going to be automatic. Right now, I still can't see this. So if you go ahead and hit Command S for save, Trooper.
Command S.
So he has that saved, and that's how it is on his computer. But if I open this, I still see the blank board. So what we need to do is upload this to GitHub now. So what you can do is you can close this. And then go back to GitHub. and you're going to have to go back to the home screen so you can click on code.
Or you could press.
Back. Yep.
Yeah.
You can go back or you can hit home or the code button right there. And what you're going to do is hit add file.
Then upload files.
Mm-hmm.
Then you go on add file via Visa upload.
Yep, and we're going to have a message here, and you can just paste in your message that we have.
Oh, yeah. So we already did it, so I can just paste it in.
Yep.
But you can just update all caps, then I don't know what it's called, but then my move, so then you just commit
And
changes.
first you have to put the file in there.
Oh yeah.
So open up Finder again,
Sorry.
and then you're just going to drag, well, go to downloads.
Don't tell me now. It does the thing.
Yep, there
Then
you go.
just drag it in there. There. Now commit changes. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You can we're just like copying it and you can just paste it. So it's much easier, So.
Yep. And so now I've refreshed and I can click on Tic-Tac-Toe board here. And now I can see Trooper's move.
Super.
So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to download it. It will come into my downloads. And here it is in my downloads with his X there. So now I can make my move. I'm going to go ahead. And
I prefer sketch now. That makes a straight line.
Yep, straight lines won't work for a circle though. So I'm going to do my move. I'm going to make a circle.
Yeah. It also would help draw
and save.
Tic-Tac-Toe board, probably.
It would look much better, huh?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to upload mine. So I'm going to hit add file. And then I'm going to drag from my downloads into here. And I'm going to do add or update my move. And I'm going to hit commit changes. So now, Trooper, if you go ahead and refresh your screen.
Command R. What is a Command E?
Okay. There it is.
What
Refresh.
does Command E do?
I don't know.
Ah!
There it is refreshed. Go ahead and open it. And now you can see my move. So go ahead and download that.
Download.
Yep. And then go ahead and open up Finder.
You can see those here. No.
Finder. Yep. See, and so this is why we're deleting it out of our downloads, is because it will just name it. It will add like .2 or .-1 or something here to make the file names different when it downloads. But if we just go ahead and delete, basically what we're doing is saying we just want the fresh file exactly how it is. Yep, so go ahead and download that now. Okay, now if you go to downloads, there will be only one, and it will be the one that we want. So go ahead and open that up.
What? File.
And then go ahead and make your move.
Okay. First when I was doing this, I thought that was the thing. It's the little circle with the marker thing in it. And the top pen or whatever it is. What the? Oh. Oh.
And then you can save your move.
I don't want to reach it.
Oh, you'll have to hit delete.
Oh, yeah. How? Oh.
The delete button. Okay, so go ahead and make your move. Very nice. Go ahead and save your move now.
Command S. Just a reminder.
Okay, and now go upload it to GitHub, because again, even though you've saved it on your computer, it doesn't show up on mine yet. It's only on your computer.
So,
code?
I uploaded it.
You downloaded that old one. Okay.
I'm just gonna...
Open up your Finder. Hold on, real quick. I'll cut this out. I'm just gonna delete that one.
Well, you just say that's another mistake. Yeah.
Okay, so now that you're on this code screen, you go ahead and hit Add File again. Upload file.
Then open Finder. Grab your Tic-Tac-Toe move. Yeah.
Then you have your commit message you can paste in there. And then hit Commit Changes.
What does that do?
That's extra description, so you can add more detail if you want. So that's a good point. Here you could say, can I help you out real quick?
Yeah.
For example, you could say, I added another X
What?
in the top left corner. And that would definitely help your teammates understand more what it was without having to look at your code changes or the file. And now if I go ahead and update mine, refresh, and I look at it, now I see Trooper's move here.
Refresh mine for some reason.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. So what I want you to do on the other end is find a friend to practice this with and finish a game. Go ahead and play a full tic-tac-toe game. So Trooper and I will go ahead and finish our game, but this is going to be the end of this video. I just want to recap a few things that we learned here. Is one, any what we call local changes, so the changes that are only on your computer, are not going to be visible to the team until you upload it to GitHub. And we're going to learn more about that later because there's different ways than having to do it through the browser every time.
It's also important if you're being like a coder, you can't just be like tap 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 and not do that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And then your team will be like, where in the world is it?
Yep, you could work locally all day long and it wouldn't show up for the team and it would look like you did nothing.
Yeah.
So important that you make sure you upload your work when you're done. And then the other thing is having that commit message with details that helps your team go ahead and go in, look at the history, and know what happened on that commit without having to go and compare all the changes. Okay, awesome. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks, Trooper, for your help today.
Yeah.
See ya.